Aloha and welcome to our channel, and today we're going to be looking at what about $500,000 can buy you in Kailua. And if you've been keeping an eye on the windward side and are looking for an entry-level starter home or investment property, then you'll definitely want to check this one out. Aloha, my name is Chris Shomo. I'm a real estate agent and owner and founder of Home Sweet Home Hawaii Real Estate, brokered by eXp Realty. Welcome to our channel. If you're still getting familiar with the island of Oahu, the town of Kailua is located on the east coast, what we refer to as the windward side. And the average price point in Kailua for condos and townhomes these days is hovering around $850,000. And for single family homes, it's a little over $1.9 million. Compared to all of Oahu, where the average condo price is around $500,000 and the average price for single family homes is about $1.1 million. Now our featured listing today is a ground floor condo that's priced at $515,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit with 520 square feet of living space. So it's on the first floor of a 2-story low-rise walk-up building, and there are 4 units in this building in all. So each unit is a corner end unit, which gives you a little extra privacy and more windows of natural light. The complex was built in 1955, and this unit, it's been updated with modern touches. The kitchen has quartz countertops, it has subway tile backsplash, and a deep farmer's sink. And it's a small space, but it's been designed really well, so it feels open and functional. The unit has engineered hardwood flooring, and it comes with a full-size washer-dryer combo, and the unit has split AC. Now, Kailua tends to have temperate weather, and some homes, particularly the older homes, heck, they don't even have an AC at all. Now let's talk about the great location. You're in the heart of Kailua town, which means you're walking distance to all the cool stuff Kailua has to offer. You've got great boutique shopping, you have some nice little cafes, you've got restaurants close by. For grocery stores, you've got Whole Foods, you've got Down to Earth, which is our local version of Whole Foods, and you've got a Target there as well, all about a half mile from your front door. Yep, a quick 5-minute drive. Now, one of the coolest features about this property is the view. It backs up to a nature preserve, so there are no neighbors behind you. Just scenic views of the Koʻolau Mountains. By the way, if you're liking this video so far and if you find it helpful, feel free to subscribe to our channel if you're not a subscriber already. So back to the condo in this complex. As far as parking, it can be a challenge to find parking in Kailua. So the cool thing about this condo is you have your own assigned parking space, and it's literally right outside of your front door. So this is a huge plus for living in Kailua town. And the HOA fees are $300 a month. And I know it's not nothing, but $300 is really low by comparison to other condos on the island and helps make this place more affordable. Pets are also allowed, which is a big deal if you're a pet owner. But as always, you'll want to verify with the HOA the specifics and the restrictions if you're considering a unit in this complex. They're not going to be open to a person hoarding dozens of cats or raising canine breeds for dog fighting. Imagine that. Okay, so let me quickly share a couple obvious cons of this unit. It's really a small space, especially for a 2-bedroom unit at only 520 square feet, but it's well laid out though, with the bedrooms on opposite sides of the condo, so there's privacy and the space is maximized, and it feels much larger than it is. And of course, condo living means less privacy with other neighbors, close by, but these neighbors happen to be super cool and friendly, which is obviously a huge plus. The other con is there's only 1 parking spot, but there is street parking, and the walkability factor is good though for this location, and also bicycling is quite popular in Kailua. As far as pros and cons of living in Kailua itself, we have a full video on it, and we'll post a link to it here, so feel free to check it out next if you want to learn more. Okay, to sum it all up, this condo is a solid purchase for anyone looking to buy their first home or those wanting to invest in Kailua. The key points that make it appealing are the location, being in Kailua town, and the upgrades. You've got the mountain views, and you have the low HOA fees and the price point of $515,000. If you don't need a lot of space and you just want to get into the Kailua market, then a condo like this one is about the best opportunity you're going to find. That's it for today's property highlight. If you're thinking about buying a home in Kailua or elsewhere on Oahu, feel free to reach out to us. Whether you're making a move in 9 days or 9 months from now, we're always happy to help you navigate through the process and find the perfect place for you. You can send us a text, give us a call, or schedule a quick Zoom meet. We always love it when people reach out to us. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way you can stay updated on all our latest videos about real estate in Hawaii. Mahalo for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Aloha. So I'm standing here in front of one of our new listings. It's 725 Kihapai Place. Wanted to show you what you can expect for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo around the $500–530 price point. And what the owners love about this condo specifically is it's a ground floor unit and it's been really renovated quite nicely. You have engineered hardwood flooring throughout, nice quartz granite tops, and we'll go inside so you can see what it looks like inside. But another great feature about this condo is it backs to some preserved land and some marsh. So you don't have any neighbors or buildings behind you. It's all green space. It's tropical and lush and just awesome. One more thing I'd like to add is we are in Kailua town. And we're literally not even a quarter-mile walk to all the shops, restaurants, grocery shopping. I mean, quarter-mile walk, 5-minute walk to Whole Foods, to Maui Brewery, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So the owners, they love the location of this home. They love the fact that it's a ground floor unit, so you don't have any stairs to contend with. It's quiet and peaceful, as you can see, and it backs to the nice preservation marshland and, of course, the beautiful Koʻolau Mountains. So let's go inside and take a look.